The cleanest premium layouts usually feel effortless because every element has space to breathe. Today, how to design spacious visual compositions. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1080 canvas. Insert one main frame slightly off-center and place your image inside, adjusting it carefully for composition. Add one smaller supporting frame nearby while leaving generous spacing throughout the layout. Select the background and apply a soft beige, gray, or white gradient for a calm premium atmosphere. Duplicate the main frame, enlarge it slightly, and place it behind with reduced opacity to create subtle depth. Add one thin geometric line or shape with low opacity for refinement.